So hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro software. So in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can reverse a video in editing timeline of Adobe Premiere Pro software. So all you have to do is to simply open the Premiere Pro software and import the video and open the project you want to edit. Then when you import a video and add it to a timeline, you can see currently it is a normal video that I've added to my timeline. You can see it's just a simple video which is playing on its own. Now if I want to reverse this video, all I have to do is to just simply pause it and right click on the timeline video. When I right click on it, I'm gonna see an option of speed and duration. You can see it's just right there. When you click on this option, and you can adjust the speed from here as well, and then you see an option of reverse speed. A checkbox is right there, and you can see option of reverse speed. When you tick mark this box and click OK, now the video has been now reversed and it is now playing in reverse mode. So you can see as the previously video, now it is playing on the reverse mode. So as you saw, the video has been now reversed. So by this method you can reverse any of the video you want to make it to its reverse form in Premiere Pro software. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials, and hit the subscribe button as well for seeing more such interesting videos. See you in the next one. Take care.